Hi, fourth graders. Happy Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed your long weekend. I really hope that you enjoyed the weather. It's gorgeous. Okay. And this week we're going to be talking about angles. Now, I'm really disappointed we're not in the classroom because this is one of my absolute favorite topics ever. Okay. But we'll do what we can over the computer. So today we're going to be focusing on vocabulary. We'll go through the vocabulary and then there's an activity for you to complete at the end. Most importantly, when you go through the slides, please watch this Number Rock song. It is the best one they have ever created, ever. It is so funny and it really is catchy and helps you remember those angles. Okay, so the first one is a right angle, and a right angle measures 90 degrees and it has a square corner. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, and a good way to remember it's kind of cute. It's smaller than 90 degrees, this interior angle we're looking at right here. An obtuse angle is larger than 90 degrees, and it's going to measure over 90 but less than 180. And a straight angle, looks like this, is always going to measure 180 degrees. Now, if you're looking at these pictures, you notice where it says this little, it almost looks like a less than sign, but that represents an angle. And then it has A, B, C, angle D, E, F, angle G, H, J, angle J, K, L. That's just identifying, letting you know what angle it's talking about, because sometimes a model is going to have more than one angle in it. So here we have angle A, B, C, and we know that equals 90 degrees. And degrees, we'll get to that, but that's the measure, the unit of measure. Degrees, this is 90 degrees on the inside. And this little box lets you know that it's 90 degrees. Now, a degree is the unit of measurement we use when measuring angles. So last week when we talked about area and perimeter, we were talking about the units of measure were a unit or a square unit. When we're talking about angles, it's going to be degrees. A unit angle, just like a unit fraction, is the smallest turn that you can make in an angle. So 1 degree is the unit of an angle. So 90 degrees has 91 degree units. You can break them apart and put them together. A protractor, you've probably seen these in the classroom. They're a plastic tool. Sometimes people have metal, but we have clear plastic ones at school that can be used to measure and draw angles. And that's something we'll do this week over the computer. It has this little dot here, and that's where you put the vertex, this is the vertex, where those two rays meet. Okay, and a vertex, like it's saying, right here, like I was just saying, I should say, is where those two lines meet. That's the vertex. Okay, we're going to dig into these angles a lot more this week and really examine their properties. Tomorrow, we're really going to examine the properties and learn how you can differentiate between the different kinds of angles. But what you're going to be doing, and I think am I covering? Yeah, I'm covering one of them. You're going to drag and drop these images into the correct vocabulary term to complete the chart. So we have the vocabulary term here, the definition here. Now, these images are not the same. All of them, some of them are the same, but not all of them are the same from the slides before. So you're going to have to really examine them to decide what image goes with the definition. Okay. Thanks for listening. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, guys.